Hey friends, it's Suzanne Mosley with Usborne Books and More. I'm going to show you how to print labels to mail the newly sized mini catalogs that are rectangular instead of the square ones. So I log into PayPal and I go to, multi-order shipping. So I package my catalogs. I send them a couple other things, and I use the 8.5 by 11. They're not sized that, but it's just the manila envelopes from any Walmart office supply store, and it should fit inside that. It's just the size that would handle a regular sheet of paper. And one time they charged me more for padded envelopes, so when I took it to the post office, so I don't get the padded ones. I just get the plain Jane ones. They're super cheap. So I go to PayPal, I create shipment. I'm just going to make this up. Susie Smith lives at 123 East Main. I may have to put an actual address. It may know that that's not a new one, that that's not a real one. Okay, then add shipping info. Okay, I've got some presets set, but I'll do it right here. So you go to service type, and I did first class right here, and then I did a package thick envelope, and then I did package weight. I'm thinking when I've done this before that it needs to be under a pound, and that was no problem yesterday. I think it was like 8 ounces. I'm just going to put 8 and then create shipment. I'm done, and then there it is, and then just review and pay would be for that one. I'm not really going to do it because that's a totally fake label, but it's probably saying that's not a real address. Yay, and then you just use your PayPal balance, or you can do a card balance on mine. And then you just print it from your printer. So that's it. You can put it in your mailbox and then mail it there for your mailman to pick up. All right, thanks friends.